We're gonna surprise her. She doesn't know that we're here. Yes, lumabas kami today dahil maganda yung araw. Look at this one. Wait lang. So, kadadaan lang ng train kanina. Ayan. So, tatawid tayo dito sa train station. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa school ng ate Ana namin dahil susunduin namin siya. Sana lalabas na sila. Parang maaga kami ngayon. And this Max is here. Good morning. Hi, kuya. Are we going to ate Ana? Ha? Mainit sa kanya. Ito yung bagong apartment na naman dito na itatayo nila. So, sarap lang ng school and malapit lang din siya sa bahay. Grabe. Lagi na lang may bagong apartment dito. Sobrang nagmamahal na rin kasi. So, yes. So, yan. Lakad-lakad muna. Exercise. Dahil nga maganda yung araw today. So, sobrang init. Parang summer na siya. Oh my God. And Bella, look at her. She's only chilling. Ha? Chill na kaya mo, baby. Uy, wala na po na ako siya jacket kay sobrang init nga. So, ayan. Ganyan lang siya. Chill. Saka yung Kuya Max namin. Hi! Are you okay? Huh? Yeah, Max, what is that? That's the horse. Say hi, horsey. Yeah? Hi, horse. The Max is here. Yeah. You want to feed the horse? Huh? So, since Tatiana is not coming out yet, so we're here in the horse area which is nearby only in her school. And yeah, her school is there, so we just only came on the other side. So yes, so because the weather is so good, it looks like summer, feels like summer today. That's why I took off my jacket because it's very hot. So yeah, Max, I think Bella is getting sleepy. Oh, she's not, she's awake. Oh, I hope Anna is coming out now. You want to go out? You want to go out, Max? And you want to go there with the horse? Come here. Come here. Come. Come here. Go stand up there. Come. Come, mommy. Come. You want to go out? Here. Yeah. Out. Stand up. So I guess you don't want to play here around. So yeah, we need to go home now. I think Ate Ana also is done. Yeah, hi Bella. Let's go home. Ouchie. God bless you. So yeah, the students already came out from school. So I guess Anna also is on the way out. So we're gonna see her in the house because she had a bike. So yeah, so we're going home too. There's no sense of waiting for her because she has a bike, so that's why she cannot join us for walking. Yeah, they're out already from school. They have two gates here. Balik kami doon sa kabilang gate dahil doon yung entrance ng ate Ana namin. So we're gonna surprise her. So yan, babalik kami doon. Kasi I think nagsiuwian na sila. Palabas na sila. So, ayun, may mga biking na doon. Oh, wait lang. Ayun, dyan. So, let's see kung maabutan natin si Ana. Hindi niya alam. Nasusunduin namin siya. Yes! So, nandito na kami sa school ni Ana. So, hintayin na lang namin siyang lumabas sa gate. And let's just surprise her. Huh? But her bike is here. I saw her bike inside, yeah? So nakita ko yung kaibigan niya na dito. We're gonna surprise her. She doesn't know that we're here. Hi! Tagal ni Ana lumabas. Hindi daw alam ng mga kaibigan niya kung nandito siya. Hindi niya nakita. I think nandito na si Ana. Na! Hi! So yes, dito na yung ate Ana nila. Yung reaction. Ayun. And Max also has no reaction. Okay. So yes guys, so uwi na kami. Tapos na yung walking namin. And it's nappy time na rin sa mga kids. So sinundan lang namin si ate Ana na ngayon. Pauwi ng bahay. See ya! Bye bye!